Abortion is not inherently a religious issue, but it has become deeply intertwined with religious beliefs, ethics, and cultural values. Here's a detailed breakdown of the relationship between abortion and religion. Moral and ethical dimensions. Many religious traditions view abortion through the lens of morality and the sanctity of life. The central ethical question is, when does life begin? Different religions answer this differently, leading to varying stances on abortion. Religious perspectives. Christianity. Catholicism strongly opposes abortion, teaching that life begins at conception and that abortion is morally wrong under almost all circumstances. Protestantism. Views vary widely. Evangelical Christians generally oppose abortion, while many mainline Protestants, such as the United Church of Christ and the Episcopal Church, support a woman's right to choose in certain contexts. Orthodox Christianity generally aligns with the Catholic view, opposing abortion except in very limited cases. Islam generally forbids abortion but allows it in specific cases, such as to save the mother's life. Many Islamic scholars permit abortion within the first 120 days of pregnancy, based on interpretations of when ensoulment occurs. Judaism generally does not view the fetus as a full person until birth. Abortion is permitted, and sometimes required, if the mother's life or health is in danger. It emphasizes the well-being of the pregnant woman over the potential life of the fetus. Hinduism generally discourages abortion, viewing it as a violation of ahimsa, or nonviolence. However, views are not uniform, and some modern Hindu thinkers argue for individual choice and context-based decisions. Buddhism generally discourages abortion because it involves taking a life, but teachings vary. Compassion and intent play key roles, so some Buddhist traditions accept abortion in cases such as rape or danger to the mother. Secular and legal perspectives. In secular societies, abortion is often framed as a women's rights and public health issue rather than a religious one. The legal status of abortion is typically determined by civil law, though religious groups often try to influence these laws through political advocacy. Political mobilization. Religious groups, particularly in the United States, have made abortion a key issue to mobilize voters and shape public policy. Moral authority. Religious institutions often serve as moral authorities for their followers, shaping personal and public attitudes toward abortion. Cultural influence. In societies where religion is tightly woven into cultural identity, abortion debates often reflect broader religious values. Abortion is not exclusively a religious issue, but religion plays a major role in shaping many people's views on the topic. It intersects with ethics, personal autonomy, legal rights, and public health, making it a complex and deeply personal issue influenced, but not solely defined by religion. Would you like a comparison table of how different religions view abortion? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos.